I want to talk about some safety issues here. Right now, we've got the whole thing set up for bench press. As you can see, the machine is bottomed out right now. It's resting right here on a rubber pad. So what we've done is, if we had a lifter that was bench pressing, we would be sure we would be lifting from this adjustment. And you can see the distance from here to here is the distance from the distance of the chest of an average lifter. So if the bar would be lowered all the way, or forcefully fall all the way, it would stop right at their chest and hopefully avoid injury that way. Similar adjustments would be made for incline. For squat, we would adjust it so that the bar would stop right at the bottom of the squat movement. It would not fall to the floor and crush them, okay? It would drive them to the bottom of their squat position. So there's a safety, built-in safety apparatus there. But I really don't think that's really enough, not really what we're looking for. First off, when the lifter throws the weight or squats and jumps with the weight, he wants to make sure it clicks and stops. And I really don't figure that would be much of a factor in the manufacturing of this machine. I built this machine in my garage. I have a welder, I have a torch, I have a bandsaw, I have a grinder. That's pretty much it. And I've made a device that's pretty much foolproof. We have done thousands of repetitions without any ill effects as far as that bar not catching. So I figure somebody professionally building this thing would have no problem with that. Maybe the bigger problem might be a problem with operator error. And I think I have a solution to that. Let's go ahead and pretend that somebody has bench pressed this and popped it up to a 6 or a 7. Okay, now we're going to come around here. Now my answer to operator error, or possibly mechanical error, I guess, is what I would call a friction brake. Something that would stop this machine if it fell suddenly. And I'm sure that this would not be the production version of this device, but what I've done is I've taken seat belts, I've mounted them on both sides and run them up here, and if I go over and pull the handle, that'll put a sharp pull on this, and this thing will stop it from falling. Okay, I'm going to walk around and pull the handle, and we're going to focus on that bar. If you come back here, you can see that the lever has been released. The only thing that's holding this is this seat belt. And that sharp fall stopped the bar from falling and created complete safety for the lifter.